my channel. Today I will be doing a wash and go. So guys, my hair is already detangled and it's already, sectioned into 4 different parts. I haven't done a wash and go in a long time, and I'm very excited to be doing a wash and go. For all my new watchers, all my newbies, if you are new to my channel, I'm gonna need you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, we automatically become friends, and you get to stay tuned for, good content. I do different types of stuff on my channel, but just stay tuned. So guys, the products that I will be using for my hair is, of course, Eco Style Gel. This is the best for your wash and go. Leave-in conditioner, I'm gonna put a little swab in this. That it just works. I'm a little different. I love swab. It just makes my curls like come to life, and it just makes my curl pattern soft. And we cannot forget about this Cantu coconut cream. Oh my gosh, when I tell you this stuff gonna work. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna start right here. So guys, I'm gonna start on this section. Oh, I forgot to mention, I will be trying the Blueberry Mist leave-in conditioner. I always wanted to try this, and I heard it works wonders for all the natural girls. So I'm trying to get my camera to focus. I will be trying this. Let me see. There it goes. I'm sorry, I was trying to get it focused. Oh my gosh, it smells good. Oh my god, look at my curls. Yes. I didn't even start it yet. So I will be taking this water that's contaminated with olive oil, shake it up, and just spray it. Because you have to wet your hair. So I'm gonna start off right here. I'm gonna use a little curly coconut cream and then some Eco Style Gel. So I'm about to put this cream out over my hair. So I'm gonna take this strip and I twist it. Just gonna do that. I'm grabbing each hair and I'm putting gel all over it. So guys, if you want to do a more quick wash and go, you can just, just put it everywhere, but I'm just doing each section of hair. They'll give it the most defined results. This is the results for this. It's a little frizzy and I want it more defined, so I'm gonna get more Eco Style and just put it like this and have it out and just have it down right here and just some of this too. This one is olive oil shea butter with black castor oil, and it smells so good, and I love this kind too. But I'm gonna put some. And guys, look at that, all defined. Now it's time for my other side. And I'm gonna put some more spray up here so I can get up the roots. guys, look at the first section. Very pretty and defined. Now it's time for this section. Okay, now I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna part this, and I'm gonna twist this. I'm gonna twist it around this. Okay, so put some curly custard and some swab. Time for that, so I'm just gonna be up here and put some swab. I have a knot right here, so I'm gonna lace it out. Officially done with this side, and I have a lot of products in my hair, but it's okay, it's gonna go away. You ain't gonna see all this weight stuff. So let's spray water so I can take away some products. Then remember how I did it. Now it's time for this side. Get this clipper so I can separate it. So I'm gonna put some more gel. Okay guys, so this is all the product in my hair. I'm gonna put water all over this, so I don't have a lot of products in my hair. Guys, this is my results for my wash and go. I did each section. I put it all over my hair. So guys, you can blow dry it or you can air dry it. I'm gonna blow dry and I'm gonna show you guys the results. Hi guys, I am back and this is my end results. Guys, I am absolutely in love. My curls are defined and I dried my hair, guys. I had to come with a beat face. And to all my newbies, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys.